Have you ever had like so many fucking thoughts in your fucking brain where you guys are just like, hey, like I got like a million things going on all at once and it's all hitting me at once. I want to be able to tell you guys that there's going to be times, especially like when you're running a business and you're trying to be great, that you're going to run into many case scenarios into where you're going to actually have to be able to make very, very hard decisions, right? And you're gonna have the ability to you're gonna need the ability to fucking focus. And if you're not focusing, then you're gonna get caught up in the white noise. I call it the white noise. You're gonna get more caught up on the problem than you're gonna be caught up on the solution. And I see this happen to so many people at so many case scenarios, right? So they get a certain amount of success, or let's just say a couple deals go through, right? And a couple deals go through, but then those deals go sour. So if those deals go sour, now they're in a position where they got caught up. Instead of producing more and going out and doing more, they got caught up in their own success, and they got caught up in their own sauce, and they bought into their own hype. You can't buy into your own hype. You have to always keep looking towards the next goal, the next thing, the next thing that needs to be accomplished. Because if you do not, guess what? You're gonna end up getting caught in a position where shit goes sideways, and you get more involved in being able to get caught up in the negative mindset instead of a growth mindset, where your mindset becomes anti-fragile in the meaning, the more that they hit it, the more that you actually become stronger, right? Your mindset should be like that, anti-fragile. But if it's not, then you really gotta sit down and tell yourself, am I putting too much emphasis on my wins and on my losses instead of emphasis on the fucking process? If you're focused on the process more than you're focused on the wins and the losses, look at how your fucking life will progress. Your life will progress a lot farther than the person that's just focused on the W's. Because the losses are going to come, and they are going to stink, and it is going to suck, and you are going to feel down. There are going to be moments. I've never experienced hardcore depression in my life, so I can't really tell you guys, hey, this is exactly how you get through it. But one thing that I can tell you, it's very, very hard to get depressed when you're in a state of action, when you are constantly moving. So constantly put a lot of emphasis into always doing something that progresses you, no matter what the fucking the actual result comes out, whether it's good or bad, because everything has a consequence. Whether it goes your way or it doesn't go your way, you need to have the same mindset that you had in the beginning. Because if you don't, you're gonna end up really, really sad some days and really, really high some days. And most of the time, the best way to be able to live your life, and I'm not telling you how to live your life, but it's gonna be a stoic way. A stoic way. Nothing gets you too high, nothing gets you too low. You get a fat ass check, and it doesn't get you too high. You're just like, on to the next one. What's the thing that I have to accomplish tomorrow? What are the things that I need to focus on to grow tomorrow, right? Don't get caught up in the white noise, guys. Don't buy into your own hype, or don't put too much emphasis on your fucking loss. You're going to bounce back. You're going to be able to make the money back. You're going to be presented opportunities. People are going to help you. People want to help you if you want to help yourself, though. So always put yourself in a position where you're going to be able, to derive the most out of the situation by not getting too high or too low, and just focus on the next step. Right now, there's a lot of white noise, right? The weather's not going towards our favor, right? Since the weather's not going towards our fucking favor, a lot of people would get caught up in the white noise and say, I can't go to work today. I can't do this. I can't do that. I need to focus on the next step to push my business today. Whether I could actually sell today, whether I could have my guys door to door today, I can't. well, I need to adjust. I can't put too much emphasis on saying I'm not going to go to work today. I'm sad. I'm depressed because it's raining, this and this and that. No. Now, what's the next best move that I can make on the chessboard? And that's all that fucking matters. I love you guys. If you guys found this fucking helpful, share it with one of your guys' fucking friends. You guys already know. I want you guys to get better. That's why I do these videos too. It's video documentaries, but it's video journalism of me too. So that way you guys know exactly what problems I'm going through and how I'm getting through them in live and direct. So I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.